I found a pack of paint stirrers at my local hardware store and I knew just what I could do with them. First, paint the edges of the paint stirrers. Next, add some stain. After they've dried, hot glue the stirrers to a lampshade. First, paint full-size paint stirrers a color of your choice. Next, grab an embroidery hoop and staple them all the way around. After that, grab a second embroidery hoop and staple the stirrers onto that one as well. Next, add some stain. After that, grab a piece of cardboard and trace the bottom. Cut out the circle with a craft knife and hot glue it to secure. First, line up your stirrers and mark them. Next, cut them to size and drill holes to attach. After that, paint, stain, or leave them raw and attach using nuts and bolts. To create the letter O, I used a grapevine wreath that I also added flowers to. First, lay out your paint stirrers in 2 square wooden dowels. Cut the paint stirrers in half and cut the dowels in 4 equal sections. Next, staple 4 cut stirrers onto the 2 cut wooden dowels, creating a mini palette shape. Repeat this 2 times. After that, staple 4 regular sized paint stirrers onto the 2 ends you just created. Repeat this on both sides. Next, staple 2 regular sized stirrers onto the bottom and glue 2 more stirrers on the inside. After that, add paint, stain, or leave it raw. I hope this inspires you to look at ordinary objects and turn them into something extraordinary. See you in my next video!
Hey YouTube, to never miss another Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And for inspiration for your next DIY project, click here.